Thank you, sir. All right. Good morning, everyone. Michael Venezia, head trader at TradeView Markets. As you can see, as we sign into TradeGATEHub, listen, a lot going on. There's a hangover from China, I guess you would say, uh, tailwinds bringing down the rest of the market here. As I look very briefly at TGH that we posted this morning, we post sentiment, always upgrades and downgrades, movers in the morning, just to let everybody know that's part of our routine. That's part of what we do. Let's give a couple of examples here. There are upgrades and downgrades. Good morning to everybody. Let's go right into what's moving this morning. Okay. China hurting everybody this morning. PDD. I would formally put PDD maybe as one of the Magnificent Eight. That's starting to. That was the strongest China one. Keep an eye on that as Bob and JD pulled back. A poor day yesterday for Morgan Stanley, holding the 200-day as well. The day after earnings, that was down precipitously. Goldman Sachs was actually in the middle of the range, tried to hang in there. Let's see. It's going to be a battle between Goldman and Morgan, at least in that group today. As we look at stocks like Tesla, still breaking down, if you will. Apple having a day. Let's see if that holds the 200-day as well. Same as Morgan Stanley. So the theme here is a couple of stocks that are trying to hold key support levels in their a lot of respective areas. NVIDIA and the AMD. I guess now it's only the Magnificent Two that's hanging in there. A lot of things that are still moving to keep an eye on. Both as a trading vehicle and macro. Boeing still the bottom falling out of it. Save. The DOJ said no deal yesterday. Spirit Airlines. So the airlines are under pressure, or if you will, the transports. What else are we looking at? We'll look at GLD and UCO and crude. I'm sure Coach has that. Oh, Coach has a commodity expert on at 10 Eastern, I believe. Someone may correct me if I'm not. I'll check the PGH schedule. As Jamie Dimon, the CEO, is talking a lot this morning of JP Morgan on CNBC and television. Oils. I mean, this has been the easy short. You really haven't having to think anything. There's the daily on Exxon. There's the daily on Chevron. There's the daily on Exxon. Ancillary ones like Devon Energy breaking down right here. So we'll see what's happened with the commodities. Natural gas is pulled back. For me personally, I'm still trading. It's stock selection for me. Although I have said in the past, this is for some time. I haven't seen this much red broad based on my screen with very, very little rotation. So I'd be watching out. Obviously, watch the VIX, the dollar, TLT. We'll tune and see what Coach thinks. I'll be on at 11 a.m. to tell you have all my opinions. And this morning matriculate throughout the day. So we'll see you then. Have a plan. Cheers. TGH.